Well, greetings and salutations from my insanities to yours. This is William Williams, Philippines. Sorry about missing a few days. It is Sunday, September 7th, 2025, at about 6:25 in the p.m. I got a haircut last night, a shave. I let somebody with a sharp something next to my neck with, yeah, I don't know. First time I've ever trusted somebody with a knife up against my neck. Oh, that's what a shaving is. Yeah. But he did pretty good. I'm happy with it. No blood was involved. Uh, it is what it is. Uh, yeah. Anyway, been to Toledo, which is the other side of the island, kind of across it west and then to the south some. Went over to the transfer. Well, went over to the mall. Got to the mall, transferred from there over to another bus, and went from there to a terminal, which I had to walk across the block, down the block to get to, and then all the way to the other side of the island. I like Toledo. A lot less crowded, a lot less hustle and bustle. So yeah, I liked it. Even looked at an apartment over there. I don't know if I would want to have to travel back and forth all the time for that, but at this point, but I did check and see how much it was going to cost to get from there over to the next island over, which was like 230 pesos. The bus trip was 131 pesos over there, plus my two buses getting there. So 20 and 15 and 131, 166 pesos one way. So yeah, 322, 24 there and back, $6, uh, or something like that. Yeah. I actually liked the place. I don't know. Like I say, I'm looking at places. Eventually, I'm going to be moving from here and going somewhere else. Uh, Most likely a different island, because I do want to check the other islands out. But I did find a couple of spots here that I like that aren't here in Cebu City, where all the hustle and bustle and insanity is. Oh, yay. So, yeah, but that's a good thing. Let's see. Uh, did a little bit of tending to some things around here, rearranged a couple things, uh, and did my cooking. Uh, yeah, I cook and then I go out and eat, and then I cook again and then I go out and eat. Trying to do more here than out there, but like today, I ate out 4 different times before I got home. Carried a snack for breakfast because I got out of here pretty early. And yeah, got over and got on the bus and or jeepney and went to another place. Got another jeepney and went over there. And yeah, by the time I got over there, I was starving. I ate something, ate my little snack that I'd carried with me. Uh, And today did start off with coffee. And on the way home, I decided to make sure I don't run out of coffee. Because I haven't been able to find it at two other places, this brand at least. So I'm making sure I don't run out of coffee anytime soon. And when I see it at another place, I'll grab another one if one of these is gone. Apparently, they have randomness of availability. Sometimes it's here, sometimes it's out of stock, sir. It's okay. There's ways to get around that. Have extra. I heard somebody, Akano, uh, was growling at his girlfriend or wife because she brought him to a mall, to a place where they don't have toilet paper in the bathroom. Okay, let's see. Here's an old man, supposedly an adult, and he's going out to places that he knows don't have toilet paper. And when he gets there and they don't have toilet paper, he complains about it. Yeah. Self inflicted injury, or should we really put it right, self inflicted stupidity. I mean, seriously. Don't get me wrong. I got my little pack over here sitting on the chair. It's got a raincoat, an umbrella, toilet paper, baby wipes. Yeah. What did I hear? Oh, some places don't have toilet paper or a way to wipe your butt. Damn. Be an adult, carry some. Instead of whimpering and crying and being a little bitch boy. Yeah. Prepare yourself. Uh, don't whine and whimper about it when you can do something about it. But apparently, this guy was just, yeah, too much of a little bitch boy to take and grow up and handle things. Yeah, just calling it the way I see it. Uh, but I did manage to get some videos on the way over there on my phone. I will try to get them, do something with them tonight or tomorrow. I'm not sure. I can tell you, I'm tired. It's been a very long day. And, well, let's put it this way, I've been up for 13 and a half hours already, almost 14. Yeah, I'm ready to call it. I'm tired. That's why I'm back at home. And yeah, the thing is I've been trying to get out and do things, do this, do that, do the other. Uh, it's kind of like when I had to go back out and get my internet spun back up, get it re-registered again. I'll be glad when I get my ACR card in and I can put all my information in there so that all I have to do is, uh, oh, let it do it itself. Yeah, because that's what needs to be done. So I am patiently waiting for the ACR card thing to get taken care of. That's why I had to go out and handle it. Because, hey, it ain't going to fix itself. You know, and, well, is it going to just magically appear? No. Anyway, I'm not sure what I'm doing tomorrow, and I've been having a severe case of that. Not sure what I want to step out and do. Uh, I think tomorrow. No, I don't. It's not till the 23rd. I should get a phone call sometime the middle of this week, early middle of this week, about picking up my visa thing. Other than that, I really don't have anything planned. I have a whole bunch of nothing to do, and I have a whole bunch of time to do nothing all day. And it's kind of nice. Just let my toes point in a direction and go. Don't get me wrong, I know I went over budget today, but that was because I did travel all the way to the other side of the island and look at a few things there. Talk to the people about a boat ticket to the other island. Now I could have probably have looked that up online, or yeah, I don't care. I went and enjoyed the day, and yeah, I don't know. There's a lot of things to see around here. I'm enjoying getting to go and looking at them. The eyes work. Although I do know one thing I'm going to have to make sure I don't do anymore, and that's get up before the bus has actually come to a damn stop. Bus did a stagger stop and threw me, and I almost landed on top of a woman with a baby in her hands. Not good. I know better than to get up while the vehicle's moving. I am an adult. I know better. Yeah. So I got a severe lesson today, and don't get up before the bus stops. It's okay to be the last person off, even if you're the first person off. Take your time. Don't fall on people. Really got to make sure I start sitting closer to the door so I'm not trying to weave my way through 500 feet. Okay, maybe not 500 feet, but it sure seems that way when you're trying to get off that jeepney and it's full. I mean, I don't know how they get that many people in there. I'm serious. It's packers of sardines at the sardine canning factory could take lessons from these people. I'm serious, because they just keep getting more and more and more. Anytime I start counting and I hit 35 and I can't see everybody, yeah. uh, and I'm serious. I don't know how they get them all in there. But I know that trying to get out when it's crowded like that is a balancing act. And when the jeepney is trying to move while you're balancing, not good. Especially when it's an old man trying to do it and not step on people. And my knee decided it wanted to take and say, hey, yeah. So I've got a sore knee. My wrist is sore because I both of them up against the side, one on the window, one on the frame. No children were injured. No people got crushed. Because if I'd have landed on them, somebody would have got hurt. Around here, I'm a big boy. Don't get me wrong, I've seen a couple of Filipinos that were my size or bigger. Not many. We're talking less than 5%. Probably less than 3%. I'll be honest, probably closer to 2%. There's not that many big people over here. But yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I've had a very interesting day. I'm going to try to get these pictures up to you and pictures into a video today or tonight, probably tomorrow. Anyway, this is William Williams Philippines. Do you like, comment, subscribe? Left ear, right ear, hard head, God, your department. Figure it out. Not my job. I'm just doing me. And hey, I'm having fun with it. Anyway, lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. And again, more food. I had a bunch of that today. Anyway, I'm Fish. Hey, Fish is out. Later blessings. Bye bye.